Hi, my name's Oliver Johnson, and for the past couple months I've been doing a project at Windlab, a wind farm developer in Canberra, around automating national energy market analyses. So Windlab, they develop wind farms. They locate where the wind blows, they register it with the NEM, and then they end up running them. And they run them with their asset management team, which is the team that I've been doing this project in. The teams realise that they're seeing an increase in curtailment. That's when you have electricity to sell, so the wind's blowing, but the market operator says no, you're not allowed to sell it into the market. That may be due to a constraint on the line, or it may be due to economic reasons. This is a really interesting time for Windlab. In 2011, the generating mix was much more on baseload power, black coal, brown coal. In 2020, the one on the right, electricity demand has come off a little bit. And you've seen a rise in renewables, a huge rise in wind and in solar, that's green and in yellow. As a result, seeing much more curtailment, especially in the middle of the day. So I have looked to see if we could analyze some of this curtailment automatically and really, automate that process. The reason why this is possible was because AEMO, the regulator that has to publish every 5 minutes for every generator that sells into the NEM, that's that map on the right there, every 5 minutes, how much electricity they think they're going to produce, how much they're allowed to deliver, how much they actually delivered, as well as any caps on delivery. With so much data coming in, there's more than 350 generators every 5 minutes, how much electricity they're producing. I was able to automate the analysis of curtailment using a Python package that I wrote. On top of that, I was actually able to set up an aggregation layer that, with a bit of dynamic programming and a bit of interpolation down on the low level, is really quite efficient. With that on the back end, it really helped me support this dashboard, which can be used to democratize and really understand the nature of curtailment as it sits across the NEM, but also down to the DUID level, as shown here. Now, the impact of this project is yet to be realized, but the main benefits of it have been that it's shown that a bit more investment in these tools could really go a long way to contributing to reducing the downside risk of excess curtailment in the managed assets. On top of that, the backend that I've built will be able to sit as a fundamental component in any future managed data layers for client reports and things like that. If you've got any questions around what I've made, leave a question down the bottom in the comments, and I'll try to get to it. If not, I'll post my link on the poster in due time. Thank you.